Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common challenge: how to motivate yourself for studying. We all know how difficult it can be to stay focused and driven when it comes to studying, but fear not. In this video, we'll share some effective strategies to help you find that inner motivation and excel in your studies. Let's get started. Strategy number 1. Set clear goals. Before you begin studying, take some time to set specific and achievable goals. Whether it's completing a certain number of chapters, mastering a particular concept, or achieving a certain grade, having clear goals provides a sense of direction and purpose. Strategy number 2. Break it down. Studying can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you have a lot of material to cover. Break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks. This not only makes it easier to digest information, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each mini goal. Strategy number 3. Create a study routine. Consistency is key when it comes to motivation. Establish a study routine that works for you. Whether it's dedicating a specific time each day, creating a study schedule, or finding a quiet and comfortable study space, having a routine helps train your mind to focus and prepares you for productive study sessions. Strategy number 4. Find your motivation triggers. Discover what motivates you personally. It could be rewarding yourself after completing a study session, visualizing your future success, or listening to music that boosts your concentration. Identify these triggers and incorporate them into your study routine to keep yourself motivated and engaged. Strategy number 5. Seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek study buddies. Join study groups, find online forums, or collaborate with classmates who share your goals. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide motivation, accountability, and a fresh perspective on your study materials. Lastly, strategy number 6. Stay positive and take breaks. Remember to maintain a positive mindset throughout your study journey. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and don't be too hard on yourself if you face setbacks. Additionally, taking regular breaks during your study sessions allows you to recharge and maintain focus. And that's a wrap on our video about how to motivate yourself for studying. By setting clear goals, breaking down your study sessions, creating a routine, finding motivation triggers, seeking support, and maintaining a positive mindset, you can conquer the challenges and excel in your studies. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on education and personal development. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your studies.